Hello and welcome to InstallerGuru, where we make installation easy for you. Today, we're going to install FedoraLinux, a powerful and user-friendly Linux distribution developed by the Fedora project. Originally created in 2003 as a continuation of the Red Hat Linux project, Fedora contains software distributed under various free and open-source licenses and is designed to be at the forefront of open-source technologies. In this tutorial, we'll be installing Fedora Workstation, perfect for desktop computers. If you've got an old machine lying around, you can make it super fast and useful again with Fedora. For this demo, I'm using a virtual machine, but don't worry. You can install it on your main computer in exactly the same way. Start by downloading the Fedora ISO file and making it bootable on your device. The installation process is very simple and user-friendly. First, choose your language and time zone. Next, select the installation disk. You can either create a custom partition or use the default full disk option. Then, just hit install. Fedora will automatically handle the package installation. Once complete, restart your computer. After the reboot, you'll see FedoraLinux version 40 ready to go for the first time. Now just set up your username and password, and you're all set. You'll find that Fedora offers a smooth, responsive desktop experience. You can use multiple desktops and apps. Some are preloaded, and you can easily add more through the built-in App Store. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow and subscribe to InstallerGuru for more tech videos.